in Suresh Kumar Sanghi v. Union of India, 2019. The key legal issue was whether the limited liability protection provided under the LLP Act, 2008, could be set aside in cases where partners engage in fraudulent activities. The fundamental question was whether the court has the authority to lift the corporate veil of an LLP when fraud is involved, thereby holding individual partners personally liable for the LLP's debts. The rule under the LLP Act, 2008, establishes that an LLP is a separate legal entity and that its partners are normally shielded from personal liability. However, Section 30 of the Act provides an important exception. If partners are found to have engaged in fraudulent conduct or misrepresentation, the court may pierce the LLP's protective veil. This ensures that limited liability does not become a tool for fraudulent practices, thereby safeguarding creditor interests and maintaining corporate accountability. In applying this rule, the court reviewed evidence presented by Suresh Kumar Sanghi, a creditor who claimed that the LLP had defaulted on its financial obligations due to deliberate misrepresentation. The case involved detailed examination of financial records, which revealed significant discrepancies and intentional manipulation of figures by the partners to secure loans. The plaintiff argued that such fraudulent conduct justified lifting the LLP veil, holding the partners personally accountable for the debts incurred. The LLP and its partners contended that under normal circumstances, they were protected by the limited liability feature of the LLP structure, and that the financial issues were due to market risks rather than intentional fraud. However, after a thorough analysis of the evidence, the court found that the actions of the partners amounted to deliberate fraud. The court emphasized that limited liability is not an absolute protection, it is conditional upon the partners conducting their affairs honestly and transparently. The decision thus set a precedent that in cases where fraud is proven, the court can indeed hold individual partners personally liable by lifting the LLP veil. In conclusion, the court ruled that the fraudulent misrepresentation by the partners in the LLP justified holding them personally liable for the debts, despite the general protection provided by the LLP Act, 2008. This case highlights the balance between protecting business interests through limited liability and ensuring that such protections are not abused for fraudulent